Now till now we have designed our own template. Now it's time to use that template. So let's launch our KiCad 8 and let's create our project using that template. So for doing that, go to file, new project from template, and over here we have this PickMCU Pick18F46K22 template over here. So let's hit OK, and on the desktop let's say custom template project, and hit save, and you will see that we have this PCB file and schematic file made from that template. So if I double click on the schematic file, you will see that we have all the things that we have designed in our template are now present in this project over here. Similarly, if I double click on this or open the PCB editor, you will see that we have the PCB that we have made in the PCB editor in our template will be present over here. You can see that this is over here. Now what is the benefit of doing so? That this had saved our time of making same things for multiple projects again and again. We have made a template. Each time I require this section of regulator and microcontroller in any of the project, I am going to use this template. So you can even add more components in this template. Let's say if I am going to add some LED and a resistor in the template, then let's just add it. Let's wait till it loads the footprints. It takes time while loading the footprints, while it loads symbols very quickly. So over here you can see these are our symbol library. Let's say we want to add an LED. So let's just double click over here, and let's say I am going to connect this LED with the let's say pin number 1. Let's place it over here, and I am also going to use a resistor, and let's place this over here, and we want a ground to be connected with this LED. So let's copy and paste it over here. Now let's wire up our circuit. Let's add over here, let's place it over here, and let's connect this LED with the ground. Now you can see that, let's say we have added a few more circuit in our project. Let's just save this work, and let's add footprint to this resistor, and this is the resistor, and I am going to add 1206 package. And what else we have added? We have added diode. Let's say I am again going to add 1206 footprint for this, and let's double click this, or okay, now we have added footprints, and let's hit OK, and let's switch toward the PCB editor and let's update this. You will see that the extra components we have added will be over here. So now you have added few of the components, resistor and LED. You can even add track with this and this and in this way. So we have used the template to make our project, and this saved our time and effort for designing the project. Similarly, you can see in 3D viewer that extra components have been added. So we have just done this for learning purpose, that we have choose the templates from over here. Go to file, new project, and we have choose our custom made template over here and made our project and over here. And with this you can do all the things that we have learned in the previous sections. You can even add more components. You can, if you want, let's say if you don't want to use this connector over here, and you can simply do that. You can select this and delete this. The template allows you to do though. So let's just save this. Let's go to PCB editor and just update it, and let's just update and delete footprint with no symbols and update it and close. And you will see that we have, as we have deleted the symbol of connector in the schematic, similarly we have also removed the connector over here. So let's just delete these tags. So you can do everything with that template. It's just like you have a ready-made few section of the project already built in the template. You use that, add more components. You can even add few of the components that you have taken from the template. This just saves our time and effort. So in this way, I hope you have understood that how you can use the template, you can custom build the template, and how you can make changes and make PCB out of the templates.